Let's overview the app that we're gonna build using Redux Toolkit. That's our app. It's a food app. Those are the products or the main dishes. We have here 0 products in the cart. If we press here, we add 1 item to the cart. If we press one more time, now it became 2. We can add 1 of that and 1 of that. When we press on the cart, we find here 2 chickens and 1 pizza and 1 burger. We can increase and decrease from here too. If we get the sum of those, 2 plus 2 plus 2, those are 6. If we go back, look, those are 6. So you can press here and create your order. That's your order details. Look, if you are just notice, we are playing with the global state. I mean, inside all the screens. For example, let's create another order. The items here are 5, and in another screen are 5 too. And the price here, it will be the same in orders too. Look. So that will be our app that we're gonna create it using Redux Toolkit. We're gonna use create async thunk to get those data from the back end, and we're gonna use Redux Reducer to manage the global state. So let's download that app from GitHub because I don't want to waste your time building the UI. So I will give you the code. So let's download it together and run our project. Now let's download our code. You just gonna open your browser and just copy the link from the description and paste it in your browser and press save. You will find this repository. Just press on this code and download zip. I assume that you are a beginner and don't have any experience with Git. So if you have an experience with Git, you can clone this repository using that code using command line. Okay, so now let's download it. Now let's open our file. Open this folder inside VS Code. You just need to install the dependencies. Just press yarn, type yarn and press enter in the command line. Let's install our bots. Let's press npx. This step is optional for Android, okay? Bod install to install our bots, okay? And now let's run our project in Android. Yarn start A to run it in Android. Let's close this and close this and close this URL. We don't need it anymore. Perfect. Now that's the project in Android, but it doesn't work. No buttons are working and those data are wrong. So we're gonna fix those using Redux Toolkit. Let's see our iOS. We're still installing our bots. After installing the bots, we're gonna run it